Welcome back. Let's go through the steps to delete your avatar on Facebook using your Android device. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. Locate the blue and white F icon and tap to launch the app. Next, at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. This will open up the menu options. From the menu, tap on See More, then locate and tap on the avatar icon. This will take you to your avatar settings. Tap on Edit Avatar to access the editing options for your avatar. This will allow you to make changes to your avatar's appearance. To delete your avatar, tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu of additional options. Select Delete Avatar from the menu options. Confirm your decision to delete your avatar by tapping Delete again. By following these steps, you can easily delete your avatar on Facebook, removing it from your profile. Keep in mind that once you confirm the deletion, your avatar will be permanently removed. Thank you for watching.